What it do, good people? I think it must be harvest season. All these trucks lined up. Man, got to be harvest. Got to be. They're going for miles and miles and miles. Got to be harvest. I think it's corn time. Yeah, this the corn season. Might be a few soybeans too. Mostly corn. These jokers gonna be working from sun up to sundown.
Waiting for pairing.
I mean, man, it goes for miles, miles, and miles. They trying to get into that corn and stuff, man. Get these loads out to get this money. And see, they still stretch, man, for miles and miles and miles and miles. And miles down the road. 18 wheelers lined up. Would you want this job? Would you want this job? Pay good money in it. But man, it probably counted over 118 wheelers waiting to get unloaded or loaded. Thinking unloaded. And they go on for miles. Like, comment, subscribe.